Hello, I'm Benjamin Powell, the Director of Services here at AdvancedSearchBrief. Today I'm going to demonstrate some of the advanced search capabilities found within our product. Within AdvancedSearchBrief, you can do two different types of searches: simple searches and structured searches. Simple searches are based upon exact matches within a raw message. Structured searches look for parsed attributes. Some examples of parsed attributes might be a username, a source IP, or even an event type. Searching is performed under our Analytics tab. In this area, you'll be able to do real-time or historic searches. I'm now going to put an asterisk in the search line and hit enter. Now you're seeing all the information as it flows into the system. You're seeing information from security devices, servers, applications, and databases. All this information is flowing into a single view. AdvancedSearchBrief also has the capability of doing keyword matching within the simple search. In my next example, I'm going to search for logon/logoff events. Now when I enter this information, as you can see, a filter has been applied, and every single event that contains logon/logoff is now being displayed. This is real time, so as the data is coming into the system, it's now appearing on the screen. AdvancedSearchBrief can also use operators like and, or not to refine your search even more. You just need to remember to capitalize the operator. In my next example, I'm searching for every logon and logoff and the administrator account. Now, as you can see, the data immediately starts to be displayed on the screen, and the words that we've asked to be searched for are highlighted in the raw message. Now, AdvancedSearchBrief has the capability of going from a real-time search to a historic search by just double-clicking on the bar in the chart above. That exact search criteria is now carried over to a historic search, and all you have to do now is just change the time period that you want to search for. The time displayed is the time that was in the bar that you double-clicked on. So you can use an absolute time, going back to any specific time period in the system, or change to a relative time period. And now I'm going to change it to search for the last 2 hours. I'm also going to add a field in the display for user information. So now I just typed in user, I'll select the name, I'll move it over to the right and hit OK. And now I'm going to hit run. So the system is now going to go back for the last 2 hours, matching every logon and logoff and administrator that was contained in the raw message. Now this is a simple search, so let's take a look at the raw message. Inside the raw message, you can see in the top section is the actual raw log, and down below is the information that was parsed and put into the proprietary flat file database system. We can change this search from a simple search to a structured search just by clicking on the event that we want to add to the search field. And we just need to add the logon event and the logoff event to the search criteria. Now let's examine what AdvancedSearchBrief has put into the structured search condition. As you can see, the first line contains the event type is equal to a Win Security 540 or a Windows logon event. Now we need to change the next operation to OR so we can see both the logon events and logoff events. Now I'm going to hit OK and I'm going to hit run. And now we're going to see all the data that's coming back for every single logon and logoff that's occurred on the Windows machines over the last 2 hours. Now I want you to notice how fast that data came back and how much data was returned. In this view right here, you can see that we have over 2,333 pages and over 58,313 lines of information. This is a lot of information that AdvancedSearchBrief has returned. To make it useful, we need to summarize this information. So what we're going to do is group the information by the source IP, where the person's logging in from or logging off from, the username so we can know which user was actually doing the action, and the event type so we know if it's a logon or a logoff event. Now we'll click OK and rerun the search. The data will now be reformatted, and I want you to notice how quick the data comes back. We've already pulled the data, so it's very fast for us now to summarize this data. Now we're down to 3 pages and 54 lines. Now, Phoenix Agent is a service account that we're using within our demo environment. I like to modify the search not to show me anything from Phoenix Agent. So I'm going to put parentheses around the original search to preserve it, and then change the user not equal to Phoenix Agent. I'll click OK and rerun the search. The search will come back even faster. And what will be displayed is all the information except for logins or logoffs from the Phoenix Agent account. Now we're down to 2 pages and 41 lines. One thing to be aware of is the information on the report is drillable. To get more information about any element, for example, if you want more information about B. Wood, all you have to do is click on the arrow next to the username and click Quick Info. This will now give you multiple sources of data about this account. The top section is from Windows LDAP or Active Directory server information. The bottom section is cross-correlated data from multiple sources. In this area we have DHCP, server logs, authentication devices, router, switch, firewall, and VPN information, all cross-correlated into a single view. Now you can see where B. Wood's account has been seen and where he's physically been located on your network on a switch port or even a wireless access point. This search can also be exported as a PDF or as a CSV. You can also save the search as a report template so we can use it in the future. Now I'm going to save this report as Benjamin logon-logoff report. And I'm going to tell the system to save the data for 1 day every time the report is run. The report is automatically stored and saved under our report templates under the Ungroup section. Now that we've saved this report, we can also schedule it. We can click on the plus key. We can tell the system to go back and run the report for any time period, once, hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly, and even email a PDF copy of the report to anybody. The results are also saved with the report every time it's run, so I can just view the results instead of having to crunch the data again. We hope our video provided you a greater appreciation of ExcelOps and its capabilities. If you'd like more information about ExcelOps, you can email us at sales@excelops.net or call us at area code 408-490-0903 or check us out on the web at www.excelops.net.